Any secrets for buying the right shade of foundation off the internet when you can't try it in person? Okay. First off, I want to say this is what I would personally do, and I do have about 8 years of experience when it comes to makeup artistry, and I have my qualifications as well. So it's easier for me than it would be a average consumer of makeup, if that makes sense. But before we get into it, I do want to say my opinion is nothing beats going into a makeup store and getting matched by one of the artists there, because there's like almost a 0% chance you'll get the wrong shade. I also did work at MAC Cosmetics for 2 years, so I've had a lot of experience with shade matching people. Also, I'm not going to lie, it does get a bit tedious, so bear with me. First tip, grab any liquid or powder foundation that you currently use and take note of the shade names. Really depends on the brand, but some make it really easy. This is the one size one, for example. It says medium 2 rosy undertones. So remember that word undertones. This one says medium 1 N, so N for neutral. And this is Fenty Beauty where it's a bit more difficult, where it's just a number, 11. So remember how I was talking about undertones and it says neutral and rosy? If you have a foundation that you're using currently that's the perfect shade match for you and it has like N or R or W for warm, that will tell you what your undertone is. So your undertone is N, neutral. And medium stands for you have a medium skin tone. So if you're really light skin, it might say fair or light or light medium. So there's all those things. So take account of if you've got those on your current foundations. Next thing you want to do is go to the actual website of the brand of the foundation that you want. So this is Rare Beauty. Don't go on Sephora or Mecca because that's not very reliable. And look, some of them already have a shade finder right there. Bam, here we go. We know that I am a medium, so I'm going to click medium and then continue. We then have warm, so on the yellow peach golden side, we've got neutral, not too pink, not too yellow, which is me. And we have cool on the pink, red, blue side, so I'm going to click neutral. Rare Beauty is really good because it gives you the option of looking at these models with different medium skin tones. I'm going to go with this one because it looks more like me. And boom, there's my shade, 270N, and now I can go to sephoranewzealand.com, blah, 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 and order this shade. Another one is foundation, but again, not 100% reliable, just like anything online. It basically gets you to put in every shade and brand of all the foundations you have now. So I put in the brand and I've got Fenty Beauty, the Eavesdrop Blurring Tint, and it is in shade 11. So I've put all 3 of these foundations in, and now I can say find my matches. Select the brands I want to see the products for, and boom, here are all the matches for those particular brands.